Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some beautiful conditions across the region this morning. That weather is going to continue through the weekend and most likely into early next week with some great weather across the region. Temperatures today will be in the upper 70s. No chances of precipitation or lightning. We'll see some slightly breezy onshore flow developing later this afternoon, but otherwise a very nice day across the region. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level around 12,000 feet. Winds are light in the low levels out of the northeast, around 5 to 10 knots, and we see our wind switch and become southwesterly in the upper levels and up 34 knots at 25,000 feet. And taking a look at our current surface analysis across the region, you can see we do have an area low pressure off the Carolina coast, area high pressure off to our north. That's going to give us this nice weather across our region. This area low pressure could be developing into a low for later into the week next week, but overall just going to see high pressure in store for our weather the next few days across the region. Taking a look at the satellite imagery across our area, you can see mostly sunny skies and not really going to see much in the way of cloud cover today, just a few to scattered clouds around 5,000 feet for this afternoon. And taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, you can see as we move into Saturday that area high pressure remains over the area. And then into Sunday, it starts to slide off the coast a bit more with a slightly warmer day on Sunday than compared to Saturday, but overall very nice conditions across the region. Into Monday, we'll see high continuing to dominate our weather pattern. That will be over the New England states. We'll see an area low pressure starting to develop off the Carolina coast. As I mentioned, this area low pressure could start to impact our region as we move into as early as Tuesday of next week, but overall models are continuing to have a tough time with the placement of this area low pressure as well as how much moisture is able to move into our region. Looks like right now, Tuesday, we should remain dry, but once we move into Wednesday, could be seeing some showers in the region. And the European model, this run does not bring the rainfall into the region until Thursday of next week. And taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high day of 78 degrees, low night of 59. Northeasterly to east northeasterly winds for today, 8 to 13 knots, gust to 19 knots at its peak. And then tonight we'll see variable winds less than 5 knots. Our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. Some really nice conditions across the region I mentioned. A slight chance we see some patchy fog overnight, but overall, most likely just going to see VFR conditions across the region. Our tides are slightly above normal. I'm looking at Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, high of 78. Saturday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, with a slight chance of patchy fog once again. We'll see a low of 58. And for Sunday, partly cloudy and pleasant, a high of 80 degrees. So for the next 7 days, looking at those very nice conditions. In general, temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s from today through Monday. Move into middle portion of next week. We'll see those temperatures a bit cooler for Tuesday and Wednesday in the mid 70s. Really depends on what happens with that area low pressure, how close it does get the region, as how much cloud cover and moisture it does bring in. But right now, going with a mostly cloudy forecast for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, bring in some rain shower chances at 25% for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll continue to monitor that forecast to be closer for the middle to end of the portion of next week, with that area low pressure possibly giving us some unsettled conditions. But right now, just going with low end chances of rainfall and some mostly cloudy skies. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing today. I hope everybody has a great day today and a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.